teens, this is Sarah with the Pulaski County Public Library Teen Department. Today we're going to be doing the DIY Brushbot. So we actually found a kit on Amazon that comes with the main things that you need. So for this, it has toothbrushes, it has a package that has the motors in individual little bags, the little batteries, and then there was a set of stickers which I've actually cut up and put in the little individual bags, and then also double-sided tape. In the instructions it tells you that you want to cut them in half, so I just pre-cut those for our activity and put that in another little bag as well. So you will also need some cutters, clipping pliers, and wire strippers. This tool in particular has wire strippers and a cutter built in. And then to cut your double-sided tape in half, you'll need some scissors, and also to cut your stickers out, you'll need scissors for that. So the first step will be to take a toothbrush and you're gonna cut it to where it's just basically like the head of the toothbrush. So really close to the edge of the head. And then you're gonna take one of your double-sided adhesive tape rectangles that you have cut in half, and you just peel off the white part on both sides, and then you adhere that to the top of the toothbrush. And it so happens, even though it says you need the wire strippers, the kit that we got, each individual motor had these little plastic caps on the top of the wire. You can just pull them off. And then the batteries don't need to be stripped because they already came pre-stripped. And then you basically put the motor on top of the double-sided tape, and then the batteries have an adhesive that you just peel off the white back and it sticks to the motor. And then there's no on and off switch, so when I did this, it tells you in the instructions, it shows you a picture and an example of how the wires are hooked up. So for this, the blue wire goes with the red wire, and you just twist it until it's the wires are twisted together and stay together. And then the black wire and the red wire go together and they twist. As far as the stickers, I just put some stickers, a little number on the side and a little mouth and a set of eyes. And then I just happened to grab some skewers that we had, because when you start this, the Brushbot tends to kind of go every which way. In the kit that we got, there was a little instruction set to make a race for the Brushbot. So you use some paper towel rolls and cut them in half, and some tape and things like that. So all that's in the kit. So we're going to go ahead and demonstrate. So what you do is it'll start vibrating as soon as the two wires touch each other, and you just twist the wires so they're nice and secure. And then you just put it on a surface and it just goes every which way. Alright, and then when you're finished, you want to untwist it so that your battery and motor doesn't run out. And leave one side untwisted like that. So that is your DIY Brushbot. Thanks for listening. You guys have a good day. Bye.